Hi guys! So today I'm finally following the trend and recreating one of my absolute favorite YouTubers makeup tutorial, and it is Kathleen Lights. I think you probably know who she is. I love Kathleen so much. I'm just a big fan, and she's so sweet and so talented. So really excited for today's video. I think Thomas Halbert, I don't know how to pronounce his name, but he created this tag, and I'll put his video in the description box below. So I love the idea. So as soon as I saw the video, I was like, I have to do it, and the first person came to my mind was Kathleen. So that's what I'm doing today. Oh my god, I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. I just hope I could come up with something presentable because I don't want to mess this up. So wish me luck and let's get started. So today I'm going to be following her copper, smoky eye and bold lips makeup tutorial. Also, one more thing, I don't have the 90% of the product she is using, so I'll be substituting them with whatever I have. So if you want to know about the products, please check the description box below. And yeah, after a million hours of talking, finally let's get started. I'm going to be playing the video in my phone. I've got the phone here, so let's play the video. Oh, she is so beautiful.
Hey guys, so today's video is a makeup tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now. It's very bold, perfect for the holidays. It's not like your traditional typical holiday makeup, but I really love how this look turned out. And this video is really, lip is a little bit too bold for you. You can totally switch it out, pop on a nude lip, and this look becomes a lot more wearable. But I wanted something a little bit more bold and fun for the holidays, so that's what I did. But anyway, enough rambling. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching.
Okay.
Okay, so my eyes are already primed like usual, and the first
her eyes are primed, so I need to prime my eyes too. So let's pause the video for now and let's prime the eyelids. I'm going to be using my regular concealer and the powder to prime my eyes. So I'm going to be priming my eyes and come back. Okay, so my eyes are already primed and let's continue now.
the first color I'm going in with is Magical. I'm going to take this color on a big fluffy crease brush, and I'm pretty much just going to apply this everywhere. This is going to be like my base color where everything is going to just blend on top. So I'm just buffing this all over my crease, on my lid as well, just all over the place.
So I'm taking this palette from Wet n Wild and mixing this and this color and putting it in my crease.
Now I'm going into the shade Potion, and this one is going to be like the main color we're putting down. I'm applying this on the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm also dragging this color into my crease while I'm building up the pigmentation little by little.
Okay.
Going back into Magical, I'm just blending out any harsh lines. I go back and forth.
So for the Potion, I'm going to be taking this shade .
I'm going to deepen up the outer corners just a little bit, so I'm going to apply some of that elfish color right at the outer corners.
Okay. I'm taking this shade and putting it in the outer corner.
I'm really good at explaining my makeup looks, obviously. So now I'm taking the Violet Voss Glitter Glue. Glitter glue. This is a good thing to use if you don't like to wet your eyeshadows. I know some people don't like to do that. So I applied a little bit on the inner corners and then I applied Stardust right on top. And this really makes your eyeshadow pop. Obviously it's like for glitters and stuff. But I didn't apply it to my entire lid because you saw it kind of took off the eyeshadow underneath.
I don't have any glitter glue, so I'm going to spray my finger and take this shade like so and apply it all over my lid.
And then I wanted to add just a little bit more of that chocolatey brown color on the outer corners, so that's what I did.
Okay. Let's continue.
And I really wanted the look to just have like a little bit more warmth. So I took the shade Spark and I'm applying this ever so slightly in my crease. This color is very, very pigmented and it can make your look really pink really fast.
I'm taking this shade and putting ever so slightly in my crease.
And then for my brow bone highlight, I took a little bit of Moony and I highlighted the brow bone.
So I'm taking this color and putting it in my brow bone area. This is such a pretty shade. No.
And then this part, listen guys, I had a lot of coffee right before filming this video and I could not get my eyeliner to save my life. So I went in with the Inglot Gel Liner number 77 and I did the best I could at a winged liner.
Okay, so I will do my wing liner off camera and I will come back. So I did the wing. This is how it looks, and I also cleaned my under eye area with the tissue. And now let's continue.
I'm moving on to the face before I finish up the eyes. I went in with my Imani Perfect 10 Primer Serum to prime and hydrate the skin. And then for foundation, I really wanted kind of like a flawless foundation look. So I went in with the Dior Air Flash Foundation, which turns out this isn't breaking me out. I thought it was, but I guess it's not.
She is using a hydrating primer. I have already moisturized my face with a hydrating moisturizer, so I'm not gonna do that part. And for foundation, because I obviously don't have the Dior one, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So with the damp sponge, I'm blending out the foundation. So this is how my foundation looks, and let's
highlight with my concealer and stuff. So I went in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral to mask those dark circles and to highlight the other areas of my face.
I'm taking this concealer and highlighting my face. So next,
to set that concealer, I went in with my Wet n Wild pressed powder in Warm Light. I love this powder. It's drugstore, but so good. And I'm just using my little setting brush to set my concealer down.
okay. So Kathleen has really dry skin, so she does not need any powder whatsoever. But because I am a very oily skin girl, so I have to bake my face. So I'm using my trusted Rimmel setting powder and set my eyes, set my under eyes. And for the rest of my face, I'm using my Fit Me powder and setting the whole face.
Okay, so let's finish up the eyes before we finish up the face. I'm going in with Magical on my lower lash line on a big fluffy pencil brush. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Potion, and I'm gonna do pretty much the exact same thing, only I'm gonna be a little bit more precise with the shade, not so all over the place. We're pretty much copying the top lid. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of Elfish, and I'm just focusing this color on the outer corners of my eyes, just to mimic the top lid, like I said.
So I'm going to let this powder sit for a minute because I don't want any fallout. Taking the transition shade in a fluffy brush and taking this shade. So I did a little cheat and did the lower lash line because my battery was dying and I felt like I should do it. Please forgive me. It does not look like hers. I hope you don't mind. So let's continue.
I'm gonna apply some eyeliner to my waterline. This is the M Cosmetics Illustrative Eyeliner in the shade Black.
Using a liner, I'm going to use my Lakme Eyeconic. Now
And then I'm gonna pop on Moony on my inner corners.
I'm gonna pop this on in my inner corners. Let me take the brush.
Decided to go in with some falsies. These are the Ardell Glamour 113 lashes. I really love these. And then I popped on some mascara on top of that and on my lower lashes as well. This is from Thrive Cosmetics. I am loving this mascara.
She is going with falsies. I don't wear falsies. So I'm going straight with my mascara and I'm using a Maybelline Lash Sensational and putting it on my top and bottom lashes. I finish off my eyes completely and I really love how this turned out. So let's keep watching.
But to finish up the face, I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with this Lisa Frank brush.
I'm going to take this bronzer and warm up my cheekbones. This is really powdery. I have a very small forehead, so I don't need bronzing that much, but I'm still adding a little because she added it. So I did go ahead and finish off my bronzing, and now let's continue to watch.
For blush, I'm taking the Laura Geller Honeysuckle Baked Blush. I love this blush because it has like a soft, luminous glow to it, and I really like it.
So she is using a luminous blush and I'm using my Essence blush, and this has a sheen in it, so it will work fine, I think. So now it's time for highlight. So let's watch.
And then to highlight the skin, I'm taking the Ofra Highlight in Glow Goals. Glow Goals. I feel like that is such a tongue twister. This is the Nikki Tutorials highlight. I love it. So pigmented, so creamy, so juicy, so good. I love it. So I'm just popping that on my cheeks and a little bit on the nose.
Okay, so I'm taking this Makeup Revolution highlighter and popping it on the cheekbones. This is such a pretty highlighter. I really like it.
Do you see? Oh my goodness, the highlighter is amazing!
Okay, I'm happy now.
And then last but not least, I'm popping on this lip color. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Hilda. It's such a nice, warm, matte brown. This actually looks a lot like Taurus from Colourpop, just saying, in case you wanted a dupe.
So I don't have any chocolatey brown liquid lipstick or any lipstick. So I'm taking this NYX lip liner in the shade brown and filling it. So this is the lip color. This is a bit darker than hers, I think, but I don't have anything like hers, so I'm using this one. And yeah, this is the look. So let's see the final part.
But anyway, guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.
Bye! Bye, Kathleen! Yeah, guys, so this is the completed look. So this is the final look. What do you think, guys? Do I look presentable? I think I did a decent job, but yeah, in this lighting, my lighting is just shitty. In this lighting, all the things are looking really dark, but this is not that dark, trust me. This is much lighter and warmer in the eyes and much warmer in the lips. I don't know if you can understand, but yeah, I'm really happy. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, I really wish Kathleen to see my video. I love her so much and I've been such a big fan of hers for so long, and she makes me smile every single time. So thank you, Kathleen, and yeah, it was so much fun for me to recreate her look, and that's about it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!